Whoa, I just got a notification from the TV. But what does it say? Let's go check it out. So, what does it say? Well, it says this guy named Pittsburgh Steeler guy wants to fight. He's a bear, too. So how am I gonna go up to this? I don't have the budget for bear traps. Guess just fist fight. Hello? Yes, did you send the message? Yes I did. He didn't send back though yet. What? Why didn't he? I don't know. Maybe just because of genre appropriate and lack of time for this video. Oh, okay, that makes sense. Well, either way, we're going to have to tell him that we will fight at 2 p.m. on, I guess right here. Just tell him to go here. Okay. I think I got it. 2 p.m. Got it right down. And send. Okay, now it says to meet him at 2 p.m. on that street. I don't know what that street is, but I think I do. Alright. I'll see you in the next scene. So, are you the one that wanted to fight? Yeah, I am. Why though? Because things were getting boring. Yeah, and we're both in the chair now, sucker. Oh, I want a chair. Too bad. Whoa, stop what you're doing there. Oh, wait, I gotta set up the angle. Alright, let's fight. I know all the combos. Yeah. Why, dude? What? You didn't say 3, 2, 1. Oh, yeah. I guess I did forget that part. 3, 2, 1. Yeah. Why'd you do that, sir? Because, could you get off me? No. Okay, then I'll launch you. Spank, 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 spank. Bang, bang. Grab him by the foot. Hulk, Hulk. And more than 5 seconds of copyright. You done? Yeah, I think I am. That was actually exciting. Okay, we got some good and bad camera angles. Sorry about that, guys. But I am right-handed, and it is very hard to maneuver this puppet backwards. Okay, anyways, guys, sorry for not uploading this series in a while, but I'll see you guys later.